and address the gathering. Thank you very much, sir.
Sudhakar, founder president, and the other office bearers of the association, Mr. Anandan Shivamani, dignitaries on the dais and in front of me, and this young crowd which is present here today. We are assembled here to felicitate Mr. Anandan Shivamani, one of India's best known and most colorful percussionists. Yes, I will tell you a few facts about his life. Following his father, Mr. S.M. Anandan's footsteps, Shivamani shared a passion for drumming and has been playing since the age of 7. At the age of 13, he had a professional music career well on his way with recording under the watchful eyes of S.P. Balasubramaniam. He has performed before audiences around the world such as Singapore, Toronto, Dubai, New York, Los Angeles, London and Moscow, to name the few. In his young days, he says that he was inspired by Noel Grant and Billy Cobham. In 1990, he actually shared the stage with Billy Cobham at Mumbai Rangabhavan. There's an interesting story about how young Shivamani got inspired by his father. He would hear his father, Mr. S.M. Anandan, a well-known percussionist in Tamil films, to play drums, and he almost instantly fell in love with his rhythm and beats. But unfortunately, his father put him on violin. So he attended the class for 2-3 days, and his heart was not in it. Then his father thought that he should learn harmonium instead of the violin. Then one day, he used to, in the house, it's told that in his house we used to play music with spoons, plates, pans and utensils. So one day he sneaked into his father's room and started playing drum. And he didn't realize when his father actually came in the room, and then his father realized his son's true passion, and that is how he started learning drum, and today he has become a phenomenal artist. Now he has enriched many Hindi films with his soundtracks. He has performed with many great artists such as Ustad Zakir Hussain, Louis Banks, U. Srinivas, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Niladri Kumar and several others. He is closely associated with Mr. A.R. Rahman, a leading musician, and he was one of the plays he has been there. So drum is a passion for his life, but he plays other instruments like mridangam, tabla, madalam, kanjira and udakku. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of this association, on behalf of all of you, I wish him a great musical future, and I am sure that he will receive many more laurels in his future career. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Justice Sri Ajit Prakash Garu. ఆయన తన ప్రసంగంలో శివమణి ఒక జీవిత గాథను క్లుప్తంగా తెలియజేశారు. నిత్యం the man who is so busy with his legal affairs has followed Shivamani's progress and his career, and the way he has explained to the audience. It is really wonderful. Thank you very much, sir. Now, the major event of the evening has come. The felicitations to Mr. Shivamani, our beloved friend. The magnitude of this function is so big. We have got international artists, reputed artists here, like Shivamani, Sri Viku Vinayagam, and Srimati Janaki Garu, Sri Vasurao Garu and a lot more industrialists from various parts of the city and Tamil Nadu, they have graced this function. And conducting such a wonderful function is really needs accolades. Sri Vasavi Arya Vaisya Association definitely needs mention about that. And now we are going to enter the function.